Hey guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Akinzi, and in this video I'm going to be showing you guys how I made homemade parchment paper. Just in case you're out of parchment paper, you can use this method. It works perfectly fine. All you need is paper. It can be A4, it can be S-size book. You need the scissors and you need a groundnut oil. That can be vegetable oil or olive oil. You know guys, I was wondering, will this even work? Like seriously, it does. It works. Like it works, even though it's not like the real parchment paper, but it gave me what I wanted. I'm cutting the paper into 4 equal sizes. It's not compulsory, you can just cut it into two halves, but I want to have 8 leaves. If you're still watching, that's fantastic. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel and give this video a thumbs up. Your likes encourages me and I appreciate all of you. These are the papers I'm going to be using for this process. The next step is to dip a paper into an oil. I'm using a vegetable oil, but you can use an olive oil or a groundnut oil, but in this process I'm using a vegetable oil. Ensure that the paper absorbs enough oil because you are going to use this paper to coat 2 or 3 other papers, so you make sure that the paper is well absorbed. The paper is now well coated. I'm going to place a new paper on the table. Place the paper that was coated in the oil on top of that paper. Then I'll place another paper on top of the paper with oil. I'll give this some rubbing motion, like rub until the papers has been absorbed with oil. When I'm done with this paper, I'm going to put a fresh paper on top of the one on the table. I'm going to rub like that until I can see that there is no more oil to absorb. When you notice that there is no more oil to be absorbed, all you need to do is just repeat the process, and that's that. Just keep repeating the process until all your papers are well coated with oil. You can use this for your baking, you can use this to put your donut before you fry them. Just like a parchment paper, it works perfectly. So guys, write on the comment section and tell me if this actually worked for you just as it worked for me. Tell me what you use it in doing, do you use it in baking or what? So write on the comment section and let's talk about it. So these are my parchment paper, is ready to be used. You can dry them or you can use it immediately. I love you guys. See you next time. Bye.